show you how to record just the screen, no audio for a Flutter in Flutter macOS for your macOS desktop app. So let's see how to do this. So first I'll show you guys the output, but I will show you the before running your app. There are few steps which you have to follow, but you should follow these steps only after you have copied all the code. But I will show you the code at the end. I want to first show you guys the output. So here inside my terminal I have done Flutter run to run my application. I'll click on macOS, so I'll just select macOS as the option. Now it will build, but the problem with Flutter run is it cannot show your app in system settings. The reason why we need to show your app in system settings is because we want the permission of recording screen as well as audio, because it is a sensitive permission. The user will have to toggle that particular checkbox, but we will have to open this system settings app programmatically, otherwise the user might get confused. Okay, so you might be thinking, then why run Flutter run, directly run it via Xcode? But the other problem is with Flutter, if you don't run for Flutter run, again this is for macOS only, at least at the time of this recording. This might be resolved in the future. What I found that if I directly try to run my app via Xcode without running Flutter run for the very first time, I get this particular issue, Flutter assemble issue. I'm not really sure what this issue is, but you will also face something like this. Hopefully by the time you watch it, this issue might get resolved. But yeah, now here I have just two buttons, start and stop. If I click on start, it definitely opens the settings app, but as you can see, my app is not visible inside this list. So that's the issue. Now to resolve it, I'll just stop my Flutter run. I'll go to Xcode. I'll click on product. So here you inside you will have to open the XE workspace of your macOS folder. Then click product, archive. Again you have to do this step after copying the code. The reason I'm doing this now because I want to show you guys the output. Also for archiving you don't need to pay $99 to Apple. This is free of cost. Then I can just click on distribute app, select debugging, but yeah, you will definitely need to add your own account in signing and capabilities, so please do that. Then click on distribute. Now this will take a little bit of time, and I can click on export. I will save it to the downloads folder. Now I'll go back to my downloads folder. I'll select my click on that particular folder, select my app, and now if I click on start, here you can, now here it presents this thing as well. I'll have to click on open system settings, and here you can see my app has been displayed. So the user will give us the permission. macOS will ask quit and reopen. This is a standard procedure. It will automatically reopen your app. You don't have to do it manually. And now if I click on start, it will start recording my screen. So it has started recording my screen. I'll just go to Xcode. I'll do something. I'll go to Firefox. So this is a one video. And okay, enough for now. I'll just stop it. And now this recording is saved inside the downloads folder. If I go to my downloads folder, here you can see the recording has been captured. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first go to VS Code. I have created a Flutter project, and here I'm inside my home page widget. So I've refactored it. I have created a method channel called ScreenCapturePlatform. It has two methods, start and stop. And on start I'm calling the invoking the start method on Flutter macOS side, and on stop I'm invoking the stop method on Flutter macOS side. Then I have created two buttons. On press of it I'm just calling the start and stop method. Then you again have to open XE workspace of your macOS app. Firstly, so we don't need this. This was just part of my debugging. You will have to go to runner, and inside general make sure you update the minimum deployment to 13.0 at least, and also in this runner you have to make it 13.0 because we are using an API called ScreenCaptureKit, which is only available from macOS 13 and above. Then go to this runner, sign in and capabilities, and here okay, I don't need to give any permission, yeah, because we are not recording the audio, so we don't require any permission. Yeah, that's fine. Then go to main Flutter window. We are just recording the screen. go to this, and here I have imported ScreenCaptureKit as well as AV Foundation, and I am extending scstream delegate, scstream output. Now, to be honest with you, even I don't understand the code fully, so I will try my best to explain you as much as I can. Rest I'll not try to even explain it, because I don't want to give wrong information. Then here I have created one enum for stream type, one for video format, and here I have created few variables for SC shareable content, filter, display, stream, type, AV asset writer, one boolean for recording mic, which we are anyways not doing it, and AV asset writer input. Then I have created a method channel called screen capture platform, and here we have the two methods. This name is same as what we have defined it on Flutter side, as well as this and this. So once you click on start, we are first checking for permission. If permission is not given, then you come over here inside error block. So we are basically launching the systems settings app, and if we have the permission, then we just do available content and start prepare record method, and inside stop we just call stop recording, and inside prepare record we are just applying our stream type equal to screen and display screen equal to whatever the display is visible. So we are capturing the entire macOS, not a particular window. And here we are initializing our filter. Now if you want, you can exclude your own application, but I am not excluding my own application. So here you can pass your own excluding application. You can find it with the help of bundle identifier, but I'm not doing that. If you want, you can exclude that. And here inside record, if you want to check the logic for excluding, like how to find my own app, I have done it for I think the video of recording screen as well as audio, or recording just the audio. Check one of those two videos. I have written the code for it. That next inside record, I don't know what is going on over here, so I won't try to explain. Basically we are trying to start a stream and then call start capture and initializing the video as well. But yeah, rest of the things maybe you can refer the documentation. For stopping the recording, we are just checking if stream not equal to null, then call stop capture, assign the stream equal to nil, call close video, and stream type equal to nil as well. And inside init video, we are assigning this video format. I am hard coding it, but you can select whatever you feel like MOV, and depending on that we are assigning the video format. Here is the downloads directory. I'm assigning a date to our file name so that every file name is unique. And again, I'm not really sure what is happening over here. Basically I think we are writing whatever has been recorded to our file. Next, for close video, again I'm not really sure what's happening over here as well. Then we are overriding this method from the two delegates which we are extending, and again not sure what is happening over here but you can copy paste it. And this again overriding a method, again not sure, but basically we are stopping the recording over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.